So, they said we wouldn't have a white Christmas, so I'm cooking Christmas dinner outside, and guess what? The bastards lied. We do have a white Christmas. First, you weave the bacon, Charlie. What you doing there, lover?
I am weaving the bacon.
You weaving the bacon?
For our bacon explosion.
Looks awesome.
Really sketchy.
Alright, it's a good looking bacon weave.
Thank you.
Oh yeah.
We had 10 kids in the family.
Kids, I think Jesus Christ.
Filming.
Don't have 10 kids.
Catholics can't help themselves. Going?
Yeah. What you making there, lover?
Just making a little barbecue rub
Very nice.
for the bacon explosion. Sweeten it up a little. It's been a while since we used any brown sugar.
Yeah, is it clumpy? Look, that's sausage.
Sausage.
That's for the bacon explosion.
They do.
Can you count them? No.
Alright. Good little kick. And we're good to go.
I can't wait to eat this. Think that's enough?
I don't know. Now what are you doing?
I'm making the second bed weave
Very
for
nice.
the bacon explosion.
It's a lot of bacon.
It is.
Trying to kill me?
Oh, Charlie's testing the bacon rub.
Well done,
Oh,
son.
no, he's helping. He's putting the rub on. Did you see
Don't
that?
touch the raw bacon. Good work, you are helping. How did you know that's what we were going to do?
You gotta rub it in, though.
No, don't touch the raw pork. Alright. Got some bacon strips. And the wood chips are soaking. A lot going on here today.
So I can start putting this on, eh?
Yeah, you can start putting that on. Now what are you doing?
Taking the skin off of the sausage
Very nice.
to put on my bed of bacon.
Oh my gosh. Is that even legal?
It might not be. A heart attack. I hear you calling.
Now what are you doing?
Applying a smoked ham.
Oh nice, that's funny, we're going to smoke the smoked ham.
Delicious. The Americans will use Velveeta cheese.
Nice grid quilt of cooked bacon in the oven. Gonna put it on top of our bacon explosion, which so far is bacon, sausage and ham, a little barbecue sauce here. It's gonna be good. Smells good already. Spices. Now the hard part. Even in the instructions, it looked like this would be the hardest part.
Yeah.
Oh, you're doing really good though. The ends you can form up, seal them up with the sausage, you know?
Yeah.
The guy said like Play-Doh. I thought of Charlie. Charlie could make a bacon explosion. That's a good looking
Sausage roll.
sausage roll. Heart attack Jack, yo. I'm gonna roll that around as tight as possible. That was a good weave you did there.
Thank you. That last piece and this piece, I'll put it on the end.
Is the finished product.
Okay, watch what you're doing though. Never mind that.
Looks great. And all I need is for the smoker to heat back up again. Now what are you doing?
Now I am greasing the rack to put into the smoker.
Have it on mine.
Want to show it again?
Huh? Oh, I didn't realize you were prepared.
Kid catching snowflakes.
Fancy. Merry Christmas, guys.
Beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
Burns hotter, it burns longer. The only reason I still had the lid on is the smoke was nose going in there.
It's freezing.
Yeah, I don't feel like cold. Okay. I wonder if it's gonna smoke.
I wonder. Smells like it. You can smell it already.
Yeah, it's totally smoking.
Yeah.
It's smoking like crazy. Oh. Now it's got to build up the heat again.
Yeah.
She's smoking.
She sure is.
It's really hot too.
Whew.
This is the worst part of it.
Yeah.
The only way to refill it with the tongs because there's not enough clearance. The bottom of the water jug is basically right on top of the coal. Throw it in, then sort it around. It's like nowhere. Mother told me that was a pain. And I read about it. But that's all these, the water ones seem to be like that. That's cool, I think.
Good?
Yeah. sweet potato
Need
fries.
help, buddy?
They look like carrot sticks. Are you stuck, mister?
They're not carrot sticks.
No, they look like carrot sticks, but
No,
they're
they're raw potatoes.
sweet potatoes.
You might not like them. Ooh, da da da.
After all day of cooking.
Bacon explosion. Look at that, Charlie. Merry Christmas. Watch out, it's hot, baby.
It's hot, hot, hot.
Look at that thing. What are you saying?
Careful, that's hot.
Bacon explosion.
That's, and
Ooh, bow and arrow.
now we've got the barbecue glaze.
bows, I guess.
Here's the lady who told us about the bacon explosion. She's eaten 8 today.
I'm a reformed vegetarian. I know what I was thinking.
You were thinking, this would go nice with a turducken.
Hey, can you say bacon explosion?
Bacon explosion.
Bacon explosion.
Say it, Charlie. Bacon explosion.
No, I'm sorry.
Oh yeah, there's sweet potato fries.
Sweet potato fries.
Sweet potato
Look at
fries.
that. Golden to perfection.
Alright.
And some coleslaw,
Easiest way
and
was
beans,
pickled.
and corn. And Dad's cutting into it now. Oh my god, it
Oh,
looks
it's a bacon
amazing.
explosion with cheese. What do you know?
With cheese.
And
Is it cooked?
Yeah. Oh, it's totally cooked. Absolutely.
Just making sure.
Beautiful.
Can't tell with the color through the camera.
Yeah, no. But it was like a good... sweet potato fries. Bring it out here in the light a little. There we go.